Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create auto chat to audience timeline action using GoToWebinar. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, let's open the timeline you want to create the timeline action for. And from here, just click on Create Action from the upper right. So please remember that this specific timeline action has to happen or has to trigger within the webinar's time frame. So for example, if your webinar is 10 minutes long, the timing of this timeline action should be within the 10-minute time frame. So for this example, I'll be setting it to a minute after the webinar has started. And then let's select registrants. Let's select go to webinar and select auto chat to audience. I'll just be putting in something simple like welcome to this webinar. Thank you for joining. And of course, you can also add personalization value like webinar key timestamp, or you can also add a simple emoji. So let's add that one. There you go. So once you're satisfied, just click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully created that timeline action. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Once you subscribe to our channel, you will be notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.